Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today my project is about solar panel car to see how can it help humanity / Earth. First, what did I use for my science project? I used an Lego Uno R3 Arduino robot car, the kit, a 6 volt 1 watt solar panel, and a TP4056 charging module, and one N4007 diode. There are many code of diode. I'll explain that later. Please. How did I make the car? So I took the solar panel red wire over here. I took it. Then I connected it to the diode leg. This is what's it called, the 1N4007. I connected it to the non-silver striped because there are silver striped and non-silver striped. I took the red wire. I had to split it and take this off. I connected it to the non-silver striped leg. I used a soldering machine to connect it. Then I took this, I straightened it. Then I used the TP4056 charging module. I put it in the plus because red wire, what does it do? It sends the electricity in. So what I basically did is put it in the positive, input positive with the diode. So let's say that it's connected right over here. Then I connected it to the diode. Then next, I took the black wire and put it in the negative. It didn't have the negative sign, but it was fine. I took the negative wire and put it in the negative input. Then what I did was, for example, cut this and took the red and black wire. The red one had to go to positive. The black one had to go to negative. Then what I had to do is solder. I had to use a soldering iron. I had to use a soldering iron, which is very dangerous. Very dangerous. It could go up to approximately 206 degrees. I soldered it, like the red wire to positive, the black wire to negative. Then I took this and soldered it, the black wire to negative. The red one is the positive.
I think there's pictures of that too, right? There's pictures of that.
Yeah.
Can you see the pictures? Those actually on the big screen, yeah. You can move
So
the pictures.
this is my diagram where I like step by step.
There's more, right? Wow.
Like you can physically see him using it.
Yes.
So focused.
Yes, Imran, continue.
Then I took this one that I connected it to the TP4056. I connected it to the charging pack right over here where it charges. Then when I go outside, even though if it's a cloudy day, at least there is UV coming rays. So at least it works. How does a solar panel used to generate electricity? There are tiny cells called photovoltaic cells that are connected that generates electricity, which is the photovoltaic cells are basically silicon. So when the sun hits it, some kind of electron moves to the wire, towards the wire. Attraction happens, then it started generating electricity. This is how the process works.
For solar panels.
Yes. What problem am I trying to solve? I'm trying to reduce climate change and carbon emission. So to reduce that, we have to stop using gas just by starting using electric cars, and at least leave 40% of the world or less of the world to use gas cars. If a lot of people buy those electric, car prices might even normalize like gas cars as usual.
So why are a lot of people not buying the electric?
Because they're too expensive.
How can we make it cheaper?
By making the law, so like the government or anyone that's in charge of the country make it illegal to buy gas cars. And
how would I come to school tomorrow? I don't have money to buy an expensive car. Okay.
Use,
Without going
like,
in detail, we've
when
talked
you
about
get
it in
the-
class many times that it's an awareness problem, right? We need to create more awareness. I might be spending money on other things versus an electric car because I'm thinking those things are more important. If I see presentations like this and you can create more awareness, I might spend my money on an electric car if I can understand the importance of it.
But the president or prime minister will normalize the price so that people could buy the electric car.
That's also one of the tools, right? So the government can do it, but unless I am fully aware of what the problem is, I'm still not going to take the first step. We've had a chat about this many times in our classroom that all these issues can be solved first from the awareness, people understanding, then resource comes in. You can have all the resource, but if people are not aware, they're still not going to do it. Okay, continue.
Can solar panel car reduce climate change? Yes, EV cars would be made by solar panel. Even some Tesla chargers uses fossil fuels, that which can generate climate change. So if we had to use solar panel car, the solar panel car first reduces wasting your money from charging using Tesla chargers and things, and it could reduce carbon emission and climate change. Instead of using fossil fuels, you can use a free solar panel car. Instead of going back to the gas station and wasting your gas and using money, you could get the solar panel for 30 years and then you have to replace it. 30 years, like forever.
Wow. 30 years for me is forever. I'm probably going to die for sure. For you guys, 30 years still not forever. Continue.
What could happen to animal if the air gets too much polluted? Some animal lives on iceberg, polar bears, seals, penguins, and if too much polar bears die, then the ecosystem won't be balanced as it is today. I think 1% of the ecosystem is not balanced, and some
What percentage? Yeah.
and some baby animal could suffer from the polluted air, which can they die.
Yeah.
Because of the air pollution, then if there's too much meat will die, then even our health won't be balanced. Because most of the meat comes from protein and calcium, like fish.
Most of the protein comes from meat.
Yes, exactly. So even our health won't, not even the ecosystem, even our health won't be.
We're a part of the ecosystem. Yeah, continue.
And if this solar panel car spreads, this might happen. Wait.
What happened? Climate change.
Yeah.
Wasted. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, Jazakallah. This is my
So
working table.
demonstrate the amazing car now. We haven't seen it yet the whole
Oh my
time.
God, before.
Yeah, sure. In this first drawer. Open the first drawer. No. Yeah, open the first drawer. That's it. Yeah, right. The phone right there. That's it. That's your phone. Okay. Now let's see. Now you were telling me something about masjid carpet cleaning. What happened with that?
Well, I didn't have the vacuum.
That's fine, but explain the concept that you have in your mind that you want to do with this. Even if you don't have it, it's vacuum right now, but you can explain how you're going to do it in the future. So Imran basically wants to use this solar-powered car. He's going to attach vacuums at the back where he goes to the masjid at night and vacuums the entire masjid before he comes to school in the morning. Okay? No. Rian, ask all the questions after. It goes to the masjid and he cleans all the masjid carpets before we come to school every day in the morning, which is going to solve our big problem, okay? So show us how the car works now. Everybody excited. He's operating the car with his phone, like his kids, tech advance. Take it out. Imran?
Put it on the ground.
On the ground, yeah. Guys, please give some space. After the video is done, we all get to play with it.
Yay! Basically, what I have to do there is let's not call it Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, but it's found in the Wi-Fi. I pressed on it, then it connects there. So the app is already connected. Remote control. So there are two different types of car. I took this one. Then remote control. Then it has the camera in case if something bad happens. Then you can see it.
Okay. Guys, please give some space.
Oh my.
So far it's not moving. There you go.
Like that.
Okay.
Oh.
Wonderful. So go all the way where Junaid is sitting. I'll see how easy it is to
Operate it.
navigate. Yeah.
So in case if it's in the office, you can watch it.
There we go. I can watch everybody with the camera, right? Oh wow, there's a camera on it.
Yeah.
I can actually go to the office and watch what's happening in class. Imran, last question. Bring it here now. Wonderful. Should some it might seem like Imran, some it might seem like a glorified toy that anybody can put together. If I give all these, all
No,
the
but
materials
the solar
to
panel.
any kid, can anybody like Lego? Can anybody put it together, or is it Imran who's come up with it? That's what I'm trying to ask.
No, I bought that kit from Amazon.
Okay, but putting it together was your, like, where is your concept in this?
Oh, like to putting the Arduino Uno wires, like wiring.
Okay. But you actually wanted to use to vacuum the masjid. That was your concept you got from it, right? Okay. Anything else you might want to show us? Any tricks can the car do? Because everybody wants to play with it now. Is there any tricks the car can do?
Yes, there are some type of.
Okay, watch out. It's
Watch
gonna
out,
spin.
tricks.
It's gonna spin. Watch
There's
out.
tricks, guys.
There are some kind of programming because the car is made
Do
to
it,
program. Here, move forward fast 1 second. The programming stops.
Okay.
So in case I could go fast, then turn right, left degrees 180 like that.
Okay, so lots of things you can do. Imran, thank you very much. That was wonderful. And now we're all going to try to see how it works.